Today, we will solve the problem of adding PowerShell scripts to an installer. We are launching Silent Install Builder 6. I will open the existing package, Display Driver. You could either create a new package or use an existing one. Adding a new script. I need to run a script to remove the display driver. I'll go into more detail about scripts and adding devices in the next video. I will name the script Delete Display Driver. Let's open the folder with the PowerShell script. I'll specify the folder path to the PowerShell script. Since I have many files in the folder, I'll add the name of the specific PowerShell script. We will open the script documentation. The link to the documentation is provided in the video description below. We will copy an example script for running PowerShell. I will adapt it to suit my needs. I will edit which file needs to be executed. Before installation, I need to remove the old display driver if it exists. I'll move this step to the top. In my case, it is necessary to remove the display driver during uninstallation. Similarly, I will create a script for removing the driver during the package's uninstall process. Now you can subscribe to the channel and build the package. Let's test how the installer works. As you can see, the installer removed the old contents of the display driver folder, which means the PowerShell script worked. Now I want to test how the package uninstallation works. See you next time.